tayo, naghahanap ng the one. Pero paano kung dalawa sila?
Anne, congratulations.
Ang tagal na nung pinagsamahan namin ni Paul. All these years, he's always been there for me.
Paul!
Uy! Congratulations!
Natanggap ako! Oh, favorite ko. Ako, presentation ko.
Si Jay naman, bago lang sa buhay ko. Pero priority rin niya to make me happy. Thanks for the help and the burger.
Sure, basta ikaw. Anne, do you trust me?
Oo naman.
Surprise!
With Paul, iba ang naging connection namin. Kilalang kilala niya ako.
Oh, got your favorite.
Kay Jay naman, somehow mas nakilala ko ang sarili ko. Radio's fine. It helps me forget for a while.
I look back and recall those days I had with you.
Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through another day spent without
Paul, naniniwala ka ba na sa dami ng tao dito sa mundo, may isang destined para sa'yo?
Oo naman. Actually, I'm looking at her.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Anne? Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, naniniwala ka ba na lahat sila may isang destined for them?
Ha? Bakit mo natanong?
Kasi ako dati, hindi. Until I met you. Anne, tara!
Ang hirap. Pero I think it's time for me to make a choice.
Hey. You okay?
Jay. First of all, I wanna thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin.
Alam kong may kaagaw ako sa puso mo. I know he means a lot to you. And I understand kung hindi.
Oo. It means so much to me. But meron ka na rin lugar dito sa puso ko eh. And every day it grows bigger.
Handa na ako to let go of the past.
And it will never be the same without you, baby.
And
Pain inside.
aneurysm daw. The doctors tried everything pero he's gone. My son is gone.
That was 4 years ago. I think it's time.
You mean you're ready to love again?
Ready to love you.
You gave me all the reasons to live. Once I've learned to love again.
Ready ka na?
Huh? Wait lang. Huwag mo ko iwan.
Never.